The question says to calculate F net on Q. So I'm going to calculate it by a simple method which is known as concept of symmetry. So let's make it figure circle. From here, from 12 and 6 coulomb, I can write it as 6 coulomb in the upward, because if you think 6 coulomb, 6q plus 6q, 6q will be cancelled and left out will be 6q. So I will write it like this, 6q. Okay, here nothing. Same here, I can write it as 3q plus 6q. Here from 3q and 3q cancel, left out is 6q. So I am writing 6q. From here also you can see this is diameter of circle. Here 10q, here 4q. So I can write it 6q plus 4q and 4q. 4q will be cancelled, left out will be 6q. So I am writing 6q. Now here 11q, and it is also a diagonal. It is also it is along this line, this charges 5q and 11q. Then I can write it 5q plus 6q for 11q. So 5q and 5q will be cancelled, left out will be 6q. So here my force is 6q. Now you can see also like this, I can write it as 6q, and here it will be cancelled, and 7q I can write 6q. So now you have force like this. Here is q, you have force like this, and now you have to calculate. You can calculate force in simpler forms. Now I am calculating, since it is in minus j, this like this. You can do like this, but I prefer by doing another method. So you see this is like this. You can check the angle, because here is 90 and this angle, a. If you think that, then 3a gives you 90. Okay, a 3a gives you 90, so a is your 30 degree. So you can write at like 30 degree. You can solve by resolution or anything. Let's see. Let's make it more simpler. So I am doing like this. This is a 6q. Then this is, I'm showing this arrow to this here. Okay, 6q, and then 2 arrows here and 2 arrows here. Okay, it is also 6q. Now here it's 30 degree, here it's also 30 degree, here 6q. Now angle is 60 degree, and you know, when theta is equal to 60 degree, the answer is f root 3, and when theta is 120 degree, the answer is f. So taking this and this, I am getting f root 3. Okay, and this is 6q, so I am writing it's f, because charges are same. Now this vector and this vector is left. 6q, what is the angle? This is also 30, this is also 30. To the angle is 120, and I can write this as f. So I can write f net on q, because this is our q, is 2f plus f root 3, which is f common 2 plus root 3. You can write or simplify it. K q 6q by r square. You can give this as radius. R square into 2 plus root 3. So here is your answer. You can write this or you can write this. So this is more a simpler version to solve questions of Coulomb's law. You can solve like this in the case of electric field also, in electric field intensity also, and like many more questions.